What's going on, guys? So I heard something yesterday from one of my neighbors that made me chuckle a little bit. So supposedly, people in my neighborhood think that I have the Fast and Furious house. So I thought that was kind of funny. So I just want to show you what my house looks like right now. And you guys can tell me in the comment section if you agree or disagree. I'm going to be in the street here, so I just want to do this without getting ran over. All right, so here's what my house looks like right now. I mean, imagine you're driving down my street and you pull up to my house, right? You're driving past my house and this is what you see, right? Nice little 280Z, yellow. RX-7. Cool thing about this RX-7, it's right-hand drive. And then of course you guys already know about this one, $600 Lexus SC300. So far, this one's my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. So yeah, comment below if you guys agree. Oh man. Yeah, so usually these cars are never parked on the street like this, but I have construction going on right now. They're usually parked on my driveway on the side of the house. And, you know, so I thought that was just a little funny that somebody told me that, because, you know, these cars have been here for years. Nobody's ever seen them, I guess, like this. But apparently, I have the Fast and Furious house. What I wanted to do here is I wanted to show you guys something that I've been working on for the last 3 years. So I think it's time. And anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right, so here what you're looking at right now is the back of my 92 Lexus SC300. Let's get in the garage here. It's starting to get a little noisy outside. And, all right, now that we're inside this garage. So I just wanted to do kind of like a short, quick walk around, let you know what this thing is, you know, about, and what we have here. So let's go ahead and jump into basically the highlight of the car, because right here, if you look, you know, exterior wise, there's nothing special going on. There's no fancy kits. There's no fancy kits or anything, and nothing crazy going on here. Paint obviously needs to be addressed. It's very faded. And that's because it was a Texas car. So good news about Texas cars is there's no rust. Bad news is you have to deal with some paint issues. So anyways, if you check underneath the hood, you'll notice that it's quite a different story underneath the hood. And this is where basically all of my time, energy, and money went into, right here. So I like the exterior a lot because it doesn't look too flashy. It's kind of like a sleeper, you know what I mean? You wouldn't really expect this to be underneath this hood of this car, but, you know, so it's cool. I mean, I am gonna obviously address all of the exterior stuff, but I need to get this car running and driving first, and I want to enjoy it before I tackle the rest of the stuff that needs to be addressed here. So what you're looking at right now is a 2JZ GTE VVTI. This was out of an Aristo. And I went single. Obviously, that's a Borg Warner turbo. So, yeah, I don't even know really where to start here. The goal for this project was, I was hoping to get 600 horsepower, between 500 and 600 reliably daily, which should not be an issue. And this camera will focus for a little bit. And right now, the weak link is my transmission. It's got an R154 trans. So yeah, as you can see, 5-speed manual, just like the $600 Lexus SC300. This is a factory 5-speed manual. It came with the W58 transmission, so got the R154 in. So yeah, it's all taken apart right now because the trans is getting ready to come out. Long story short, the hydraulic throwout bearing is leaking, so this thing was ready to go on a dyno, and then that happened, so I have to take it all apart again and see what went wrong there. Going to the back of the car, I got the battery relocated to the trunk. Got my fuel lines running through the trunk. I'm running the Powerhouse Racing triple fuel pump bracket. I'm only using 2 Warbro 450s. So it runs through the trunk here and comes out there. You can see my fuel filter, sort of, the red thing there. My little pumpkin. It's got an LSD in it. Gear ratio is 376. So I believe this diff is out of an Aristo. So got an LSD in there. Coilovers are tein. So lowered on some teins. I am going to replace these. I'm probably going to put these on my $600 SC300. And wheels, since I know you guys are going to ask, SSRs. 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. I believe that's correct. So yeah, these are SSR D5Rs if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I don't know if I told you about the clutch, but the clutch that I have is it's running a Clutch Masters 850 series, so twin disc. And yeah, I gotta drop everything and figure out what went wrong there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a quick cold start on this thing. Make sure it's in neutral. Alright. So let's go ahead and give this thing a quick start. Oops, what happened? Oh, put the clutch pedal down. Straight to the floor. Something's wrong. This is all off. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy as far as revving it goes, but you know, because it's only on a base map right now. So, and it's a cold start, so, but it does start. Look at that, the steering wheel. Yeah, I gotta fix the steering wheel. This one has the broken telescope issue. So, yeah, hopefully you guys are able to get an idea of what I'm working with on this thing. You know, I know this is kind of like a whatever walk around, but you know, it is what it is, man. I know I'm missing a lot of stuff. As always, there's a lot of stuff that went into this car, a lot of time and energy, a lot of work, and I'm pretty close to finishing it. So I can't wait. This is Project 600 horsepower Lexus SC. So you guys already know about the $600 SC300. This is the 600 horsepower SC300, and yeah. So let me give you guys a quick view from here so you can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have questions, comment below, and like the video. Give me some love. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until next time, peace.